After encountering the notorious EasyAntiCheat EOSsys BSOD crash in Rocket League myself and trying countless solutions, I finally discovered several reliable methods that truly work, and I'm excited to share them with you now. This video will finally help you fix EasyAntiCheat EOSsys BSOD crash in Rocket League 2026 for good. First, verifying your game files is super important. Corrupted or missing game files can make EasyAntiCheat think something is wrong, causing it to shut down your system with a blue screen of death. This step makes sure all your game files are perfect, stopping those integrity checks from failing. Next, keeping your computer's drivers up to date is key. Old graphics or chipset drivers often fight with anti-cheat programs, making your computer unstable and causing crashes. Updated drivers help your hardware, Windows, and EasyAntiCheat all talk to each other without problems. Thirdly, reinstalling EasyAntiCheat itself can be a lifesaver. Sometimes the anti-cheat program gets damaged or doesn't install correctly. A fresh install or repair makes sure EasyAntiCheat is clean, set up right, and works smoothly without any internal glitches. Lastly, checking your Windows system files is vital. If these important files are broken, it can mess up how EasyAntiCheat works with your computer, leading to a BSOD. Running these system checks fixes any broken core files, making your computer much stronger and more stable.